In this video, we're examining Your at Home Virtual Assistant Business, a tool catered towards ambitious entrepreneurs and remote employees. It presents itself as a pathway to launching a successful virtual assistant enterprise from the comfort of your own home. This handbook aims to reinvent the traditional concept of working from home, offering an unparalleled chance in the field of remote work. Now, let's delve into what sets this product apart in the landscape of remote work prospects. Crafted by industry experts, this guide dives deep into the essentials of starting your virtual assistant business. It's not just about finding work, it's about creating a sustainable, fulfilling career on your terms, from understanding your marketable skills to attracting the right clients. Without giving too much away, the guide is comprehensive, covering everything from the basics of setting up your virtual office to advanced strategies for scaling your business. It promises not just a roadmap to financial success, but a journey towards personal fulfillment. If the idea of charting your own course in the virtual assistant industry intrigues you, Your at Home Virtual Assistant Business might just be the guide you've been searching for. For those interested in uncovering the full spectrum of what this guide has to offer, please click on the link in the video description for more details.